Check out this beautiful single-family home located in Watercrest Estates. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this home is perfect for families of any size. As you enter the home, you will be immediately struck by the open floor plan and bright interior. The kitchen is a chef's dream with solid counters, storage cabinets, and a convenient kitchen island for meal prep and entertaining. The spacious master suite is the perfect retreat after a long day. It features a luxurious master bath with a walk-in closet, dual vanity sink, and plenty of natural light. The 3 additional bedrooms are generously sized and perfect for a growing family or hosting guests. This home is located close to major highways and attractions, making commuting a breeze. Come see it for yourself and fall in love with your new home. Are you ready to make a move? Call us directly at 407-552-5281 and learn how easy it is to own your own home.